So today I'm refreshing my paste on the CPU. I have a choice of Cooler Master High Performance Thermal Compound or Ceramic Arctic Silver. Honestly, I can't remember what I had on there. It's that gray one, so I think it was a different one. But it's been a while, so I just cleaned the case and decided to do this because, well, like I said, it's been a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this real quick. And meeny, miny, mo, which one do I have the most of? Okay, I think the Arctic Silver. Not the Arctic Silver, well, it is. You know what? I'm just gonna finish this up. I think I have some left. Hey, this thing is gone. Never mind. Oh, that's a little bit. Alright, we do have some. I don't know. I don't like it. I think it's like dried up. Yep, it looks dried up. Oh, guess I'll try the other one. Get rid of that. That's how long I had it. So that one's not gonna work. Let's see if the Cooler Master High Performance is still good. If not, I'm up the creek because I don't have any others. Okay, Cooler Master works. Oh man, I don't think I have any more. Oh crap. That's a bummer. I don't have much. Ah. Well, is that gonna be enough? Let's see. I don't think so. Well, normally I use the card, but I can't really get in here because I haven't removed the motherboard. So I'm just gonna give it a light coat on everything because I really don't have much more left. Let me see. Can I get anything? Another drop over here, maybe. So it's gonna be a light coat, but at least we'll have some. Oh man. Yeah, that's pretty light. I think that's the lightest I've ever done, but it should work until at least I can get some more because I didn't realize they were gone. So I used it that much. So the Arctic Silver I don't recommend because over time, as you can see, it'll harden on you. The Cooler Master definitely works because as you can see, it's still uh, liquid state almost, or soft I should say. So that one's okay. I'm sure there are a bunch of new ones now, but as you can see, that's all I got. So should be good. Should work. The temp side being okay too, so it was still pretty good. The old one, the old paste was still good. It was silver though. It wasn't this one. So go figure. Now, just need to get this puppy back in place. one's done. I think that one's in. Am I in there? Maybe. Make sure it clicks, because if it doesn't, and it's that white piece that needs to go below. Below the motherboard. Come on, dude. Come on, buddy. Get in there. Okay, that one's not going in. Okay, this one's in. That one doesn't want to go in. So let me get the screwdriver. To lock it in. So this is done, so it should be locked in there. Heck. Nope, it's not in. Alright. What's going on here? Oops. Let's go back. Oh, come on, get in there. Oh. Let me get back to you guys, because I gotta fight it, and until those pins go all the way down, I can't lock it. Alright, I think we got it. So we need to pull this pin up and push it down. There we go. See, only one down. Same here. Let's go up and back. Gotta go down. And then we twist it to lock them in. So we get to the bottom. Let's see. Right there it is. That's locked. Okay. Down. That's locked. Hold the tab up, push this down, and then push that down. Oh, oops. Don't want to go that way. Alright. That should be locked. Let me see. That's locked. That's good. Check the other side. Yep. We're locked. Alright. Everything's moving. Everything's there. Let me see. I get good contact. So yeah, we're good. So I just gotta put back the power supply, since you can see, I just took it out of here, folded it back so I could get in here without having to take everything out. So far so good.